You mean like when I was on my couch in the fetal position crying after I lost my 6-figure gym and the $500,000 worth of real estate that it was sitting on? Yeah, those
Well,
moments.
that was the one moment. That's when you're on your couch. I'm talking about looking at your puffy, bloated, red-eyed face, looking at yourself and saying, all right, champ, enough. It's time to do something. And these are forced marches. These are things you need to do alone. And even though you have your naysayers and gray believers, which are usually your inner circle and family who love you and trying to protect you, you also have a lot of people out there that are just, they don't have the cojones and they're too afraid to take the chance, or they're too afraid to go on a podcast, or they're reluctant to share their ideas for fear of rejection. And my intentions are honorable. I'm doing this today of good faith. I don't even need to mention my call center, and I'm really not selling anything. Put the checkbook away. My main goal today was to make a good friend, which I did, and also to share ideas, because that is worth more than money.
Absolutely,
if I can motivate somebody today, let them know that there is structure with communication and with conflict management. Let me share a good piece of advice for people that aren't feeling well today. I can easily solve their problem today. And the word is thesaurus.